It was summer on Beer Country Railway. All the engines were busy carrying passengers and goods from station to station. One day, brother took some troublesome trucks to the smelter's yard. He whistled hello to Smirk and Skuzz, but Smirk and Skuzz laughed.
Hold up, swallow it.
Mocked Skuzz.
Just listen to this. Diesels can't do everything better than Steamies.
They sneered.
My whistle is good as your horn.
Puffed brother crossly.
Just you wait and see.
Brother practiced loud whistling. He blew louder and louder and louder. At last he was ready to surprise Smirk and Skuzz. Later, brother went back to the station. He rolled up behind Smirk and Skuzz, took an extra big puff and blew as loudly as he could. Smirk and Skuzz were surprised.
I told you my whistle is as good as your silly old horns.
Laughed brother. Now that he had a super loud whistle, brother couldn't wait to use it again. When he saw sister in the sidings, he took a big puff and blew as loud as he could. Sister was cross.
That wasn't funny.
She sniffed. Brother didn't notice. He was too busy having fun. Brother saw Firefly the bus. He took another big puff and blew. Firefly skidded all over the road. Brother, he cried crossly, you nearly caused an accident, but brother had already chuffed away. That evening, sister told brother to stop surprising his friends.
You made Firefly skid across the road and my tracks got damaged,
said sister. Brother was sorry.
I won't do it again.
He wailed.
I promise.
The next day, brother was a very quiet engine indeed. He didn't use his whistle once, but as brother puffed along the countryside, he gasped a big rockfall had fallen onto the tracks. Brother heard sister. She was heading straight for the rockfall. If she did not stop in time, she would have an accident.
I must warn her.
Cried brother. Brother took the biggest puff he had ever taken, and he blew the loudest whistle he had ever blown. Sister applied her brakes just in time.
Lost my buffers.
She gasped.
Thank you, brother.
That evening, Mr. Honeycomb came to the sheds.
Well done, brother.
He boomed.
You blew your whistle at the right time and saved sister from an accident. You are a really useful engine and a safe one.
Brother was so proud, his firebox tingled. Brother uses his whistle safely now, and all his friends are glad to see him.